In this video for our Rock Like the Pros beginning 10-day practice and technique challenge, we're going to continue with these magical 4 fingers. This one, though, is going to be a variation of some of those chromatic lines we've been doing earlier. This one's going to be 1, 3, 2, 4. Welcome to Rock Like the Pros. I'm Terry Carter, and I'm very proud of you for being here, staying with this challenge, making a commitment to yourself and your playing. I know it's so easy to fall off with these videos, with your practice, because life and other things, but you made it here and you're committed, and I love that. And because of that commitment, I've partnered up with Cordoba. We got 2 guitars to give away. One's for the VIPs. Hold off, I'll tell you about that in a second. But first, a Cordoba Protege C1 guitar. That one is just for you. That one's for you. All you got to do to take part and have a chance to win that is make sure that you sign up below. That's first of all, sign up below. Subscribe to my channel here, Rock Like the Pros. Subscribe to the Cordoba channel. Show them some love for donating these guitars. And also, you have to post at least 1 video over on the Rock Like the Pros forum. The more videos you post, the more chances you have to win. Simple as that. So I said we have 2 guitars, and we have a VIP option for this challenge. If you want to join that, you get all the tabs, you get all the backing tracks, you get access to the private Zoom calls with me, you get some bonus lessons as well, you get lifetime access to all this material at rocklikethepros.com, and you have a chance to win a Cordoba Mini 2. Really cool EBCE. That's a spruce top with ebony sides and back, cut away with a pickup. Super cool guitar. Thank you, Cordoba, for that. So I hope you're enjoying this, that you're learning something, that you should see the improvement already in all of these ones that I'm giving you. They're great warm-ups. They're great technique builders. And if you dig this, we're going to do a second level, like level 2, intermediate, whatever you want to call it. Right after that, we're going to have an early bird special right now. We'll put a link to that below. Go check it out, get some more information, and sign up for that. Are you ready? Let me show you this pattern, and then I'll show you exactly how to do it. This one is a really great one for that coordination, because now you're not just using 1, 2, 3, 4. You're not doing 4, 3, 2, 1. You're doing a variation of this pattern. 1, 3, 2, 4. It takes actually a little bit more concentration than you might think. For this one, I brought out my telly. Felt like this was a telly one for some reason, but I got my telly out here. Loving this thing. This is one of the guitars I used to use up in my studio days up in LA. That's a whole nother story. But anyway, this one is my electric steel string. I'll be using a pick for this one. If you need anything, picks, strings, guitars, everything you need, store.rocklikethepros.com. All right, let me show you this pattern, and then we're going to do it a little bit with the backing track. So that's it. So we're going to start right here on the first string, first finger. Then we're going to jump to the 3rd fret. Try to keep your first finger down, and then to the 2nd fret with the 2nd finger, and then you're going to reach all the way up with your pinky to the 1st string, 4th fret. That's the pattern. Okay, it may seem simple, but these are such amazing technique builders. You're going to build that strength, that speed, everything. So when you apply it to later things in your playing, this stuff's going to help. All right, so again, first string, got 1st fret, 3rd fret, 2nd, 4th, and I'm going to go up to the 2nd string, do the same pattern. 3rd string, 1st finger, 3rd finger, 2nd finger, 4th finger, 4th string, 5th string, and then the 6th string. Ooh, what a nice sound, bass sound on that thing. All right, you noticed that it kind of sounds a little haunting. Right? Got a little haunting of a pattern here. Once you finish up this 4th string, you're simply going to slide it up. Now you're going to be on the 2nd fret, and you're going to do the same thing. So 2nd fret, 4th fret, 3rd fret, 5th fret, same fingers, 1st finger, 3rd, 2nd finger, 4th. Just going to go down the strings now. Try to keep as many fingers down as you can. You can't keep them all down, but try to keep as many as you can down. Nice and slow. All right, so what do you think so far? Leave a comment, or just tell me what you're playing, what kind of guitar you're playing. Either one, just leave a comment below. All right, once we finish that, we're gonna go up to the 3rd fret. We're gonna do the same thing. 5th fret, 4th fret, 6th fret, next string. Just do this with me. We'll be doing the backing track right after this. Get those nice clear notes. Nice and relaxed with the left hand. I'm gonna slide up 4th fret, 6th fret, 5, 7, 4th, 6th, 5th, 7. Keep going. Just do it with me here. Almost done. All right, we're not done yet. We're going to do one more fret here with the backing track. There's a lot of value in slowing this down. You can build it up. You can play it faster with the backing tracks with metronome, but you want to do it slow and then slowly build up that tempo. All right, so we just finished that. The last thing's going to be here on the 5th fret of the 1st string, and it's 7th fret, 6th fret, 8th fret, next string, next string. Keep going. And all right, now we're going to bring in the backing track. We're going to do all of that up to the 5th fret, no stopping. Nice and medium tempo, 120 on the backing track. Play relaxed, play accurate, play with focus in your playing. All right, you ready? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. How amazing is a guitar? I mean, hopefully you're playing and you're just like, man, such a cool instrument. Just the guitar, I love it. It has a special place in my heart. So I'm glad to be doing this challenge with you. Great job. How did you do? Leave that comment below. If you're a VIP and you get access to not only the slow backing track, that was a medium backing track, or the fast, but you also get access to the longer backing tracks we created. So you can actually go higher up the neck, and you can actually come back down as well if you want to continue your practice on this stuff. Absolutely, these are game changers. These are things you should be doing every time you pick up your guitar, or anytime you want to increase your ability, your speed, all that kind of stuff. Don't forget, you got to post a video over on the Rock Like the Pros forum. It's a really important step. I want you to make sure that you do that for these videos, not only to have a chance to win the Cordoba guitar, but just for yourself, to gain that confidence and become part of the community as well. If you're liking this stuff and you want to, I can do this stuff, I wonder if there's harder stuff. We do have an advanced technique workshop that we're going to be doing for the guitar. So we'll put a link below. That's like an early bird special right now for that right there. So click that link and go find some more information. Great job. Stick with this. We're not done. We got more videos for this, more techniques for you. But I'm proud that you're here, and I'm proud that you're continuing on and making a commitment to this challenge and to your playing. That's going to do it, and we'll see you in the next one.